Your bathroom is more than a room. It's a sanctuary. Introducing Bottega Linea, born from the Italian tradition of the master artisan workshop. The Linea d'Oro collection, architectural design for the contemporary wellness space. An exquisite play of geometry and texture, rhythmic horizontal fluted oak, set against the sharp elegance of an ultra-slim jointless basin or countertop. Run your hand across it. It looks like oak. It feels like oak. But this is not wood. Embossed textures recreate the touch of natural timber, engineered for the bathroom, water and steam resistant, hygienic, non-porous, naturally antibacterial. It never warps. From cloakroom to 1200 millimeters, wall hung or floor standing, every piece crafted entirely in Italy and backed by a 25-year guarantee. Bottega Linea, luxury Italian design, built for real life. Explore the range exclusively at ergonomicdesigns.co.uk.